good morning everyone. We are about to begin our proper program. So, at this point, we are about to begin our program. So as we celebrate the 127th Philippine Independence Day with the theme Kalayaan, Kinabukasan, Kasaysayan, let us instill to ourselves na ang Araw ng Kalayaan o ang Araw ng Kasarinlan ay isa sa taonang pagdiriwang sa Pilipinas na ginanap tuwing Hunyo 12 bilang pag-alala ng pamamahayag ng kalayaan ng Pilipinas mula sa Espanya noong Hunyo 12, 1898, isa itong pambansang araw ng Pilipinas. So, to begin with our proper program, let's have a doxology to followed by our national anthem, Kapisi, Mambusawin, to be led by our Kapso FEC, David Kaligawan po. Thank you so much sa aton Kapsu MSC Himig Kalingawan Choral, headed by their Ms. Mariela, and also to our PNP for facilitating our flag ceremony. So at this point, our very active Municipal Administrator, Mr. Tisa Montorio, will give his message.
Sa aton pinalangga na kagopon nga SB member determined SB Ago Kapuna sa aton NLDO 6 Sir Bong Horneha, sa mga department heads present, regular employees, as well as our family from the PNP, EGMP, and PFP. Our visitors from the Knights of Columbus and the Mampusaw Kapso Mampusaw Cora, headed by Ma'am Denise. Isa ka may diyan daw sa katunan. First and foremost, gusto ko maayo sa pasensya sa inyo tungod sa ating order. Dapat naka-uniform ako ang wa. So, just like i-relate ko sa Philippine independence, kung ang mga forefathers natin, ang battle sila is about freedom with Pilipinas. Ako, ang battle ko na karasakot sa kamuko. So anyways, today, we celebrate the Philippine Independence Day. May this day not merely commemorate the past, but also allow us to reflect on the present and what is important now. The sacrifices of our forefathers, their unwavering courage in the face of adversity, gifted us the freedom we enjoy today. But please be reminded that true independence extends beyond political sovereignty. It demands continuous vigilance in upholding our rights, fostering unity, and building a nation where every Filipino can thrive. Let this day inspire us to work together to overcome the challenges of our time and to secure a future where the ideals of freedom and equality truly flourish. Mabuhay! Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your informative insight for our Independence Day. So, we will proceed sa atong red laying on Bonifacio and Rizal Monument to be led by our PNP, together with PFP and PGFP, together with our Mayor, Vice Mayor, SB members, uniform personnel, Knight of Columbus, and government employee. So, after sa aton red laying, may announcement lang na may ala kita pamahawa para hindi magulit. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. Happy Independence Day. Para nga in order ang aton na pag-parade pakadto sa monumento sa aton duwa ka heroes. So, mauna ang aton na bulak, ang aton iga-offer, followed by our Chief of Police, partner sila ni DILG. Dili kita sa right magi. And then si Sir Disam, Sir, dili ka sir sa una, sir? Okay, si Sir DILG, si Sir Bong na lang. Partner ni Sir. And then si SB Ago. Apat guro para nga hindi masyado kalawig. Okay, followed sa aton nga Chief of Police, ang aton nga mga PNP personnel. Line na kamo apat-apat. Next is BFP, and then BGMP, and then mga followed by sa aton nga mga LGU employee. So, welcome SB Team Trajano. Apat-apaton, tama naman namin sa aton mga picture at Upper. Okay, medyo. Abante ka mga dua. Apat. Sige pa, sige pa. Dito sa may no parking, is go. Okay. Namin siguro, sir, ganyan to may background ng music. Okay. Apat na linya.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Si Rizal.
Ha?
Nabuo kita pa si Rizal.
bisbisin. Ato sulod to. Sulod ka to. Ha? Hindi. May honoraria yung taon dyan.
Pag inamba ko, hindi. Okay yung box, pamati lang. Pag inamba ko, pamati. Pinilito. Loading. Oh, hey.
Sa lahat.
Nag-advise ito ka. Oh. Nag-advise si deputy nga dito.
Para magsugit siya ng sakto.
Ka-play live dyan, live. Live dyan, live. Yan. Ano?
First time May memo, ma'am. Post kita with memo kagapon. Kaya kung may memo, sir. Kung nawag-awag. Memo kita kagapon. Iya mo na background lang sa music. Okay. Next, by department na. Okay, next is pamahaw. Okay. Servo ka pa, nawa ka na.
Oh, pinpi.
Kita ka daw, ma'am. Kita ka daw. Sir, di ka mo makita sa likod. Sa tubang ang mga gagmay, ang mga lupo. Sila Marla, dito sa tubang, di makita. Oh, fire.
Asan yung mampong? Sige, dasig lang. Kuto, next naman nga agency.
Si Titoy, kung si Sheila, si Titoy, kung tayo waka-etik.
Di ba na pelikula siya ko na?
Dapat mag-agman siya. Sa picture, wala pa mao. Okay, BGMP pa, ma'am.
PGMP next.
BGMP.
DA Department Agriculture. Kami apat na tamo.
Kami man, may picture ako ni may
Live. BGMP.
Hindi ka lang nakakita ang sa likod. Diriba no.
Ah?
Diri.
Ay, hindi.
Ang ginalimuti mo ay.
Mayroon.
Eh, Joe. Ginalimuti mo. Nalipit.
Gali, ay, okay lang tayo.
Nalipit. Punta sa altar. Namigit ito. Ay, galing ibutang ko lang ito.
Turo ka lang ka mo.
Ang ibang kaninyo ko, Roger, sir, sa likod, sir, alin trio para balance, tri sa piyako. Ang iba dyan sa likod, sir, na.
Subong ko na pala. Andro, turo ka lang ka mo.
Ay, nanago mo itong isang zero. Di yung sakit anon. Smile man ka mo. Magwapo, ag nang.
Sila yung header.
Wapa.
Wasa dire. Dip sila deputy si... Ah, itong nakita. Siya wata kayo. Apat.
Hello, ma'am. Ito yung mayad gani. Para close up ka mo. Bye-bye. Sige. Pa. Oo. Oh, live pa dyan, live pa ta Japon dyan. Na, live pa ta dyan. So, andyan si Nganga, si Madam Rose, at saka si Madam Lago. Oo, sige. Oh, abang katalikod pa ganit ka mo, ginalive ko pa, ho. Gani, sige lang, sige lang. Ambot, basi Chow Keng. Tanawon nyo tayo yung likod nyo sa sa live indon. Pag-review nyo. Oh, na. Kung ano, iporma nyo mga likod nyo, buli nyo, agsiki nyo. Ha? Sa last part banda, oh. O, ay mga nanganot doon kung dyan, oh. Live. So dito na po guys magtatapos, no. Pero before that, ito muna guys nung yung rural health unit natin, no, yung ating opisina ng rural health unit at birthing facility dito sa bayan ng Mabusaw. At yan po yung ating Angeles Lima Villarreal Cultural Center. So dyan dinadaos yung mga cultural show, no. At minsan may mga sports competition dyan na rin, air condition yan sa loob. At siyempre yung municipal office natin yan po, no, na kung saan dyan mismo yung pinagmulan, no, yung pagsimula ng programa kanina para sa ditong Independence Day celebration June 12, 2025, no. So yan po, makita natin, no, yung mga flag dyan. Tapos ito naman yung Civic Center guys, mga sirs and moms, no. Yan po, wow, Labaw Mabusaw Civic Center, yan po, no. Okay, so yan po yung makikita natin dito sa harap ng public plaza, no, yung Angeles Lima Villarreal Cultural Center. At yun na nga yung ating munisipyo or municipal office, yan po. So maraming salamat, no, sa ating mga viewers. Dito lamang nagtatapos, no, yung ating pag-cover live, Facebook live dito sa Independence Day celebration sa bayan ng Mabusaw. Maraming salamat sa mga viewers. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.